Friends, today is one of those super easy, high payoff, tasty dinners that you can make and hone to the way you prefer it. So it's a very forgiving recipe. Try it a couple of times, see what you like. Here, I'll tell you how I like it with options thrown in. So this is a noodle recipe with a peanut sauce. It's been called everything from Indonesian, Thai, Asian, what have you. The way I make it is I've got some great brand new pasta that I got from my team in Italy. Thank you so much. So that's just some flat noodles that I'm going to boil in that pot and then throw together in a saucepan and heat the peanut sauce. And that is made with peanut butter and rice vinegar, soy sauce, a couple of other, ginger. The flavors that go into it are really standard. Luckily, I'm, even after 25 years of marriage, I have a husband who likes to eat like a bachelor. So we've got a whole bunch of the soy vinegar, chili oil packets that I'm just going to throw together to taste, make that sauce, throw it over the noodles, and then so that's really one component. You can stop there and the next day or continue on tonight, make lettuce bowls. And so when you have lettuce bowls, you take that the noodle stuff that's already drenched in that delicious peanut sauce, and then you augment with, I like crushed peanuts or whatever I've got, really. Whatever I've used, sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds instead of peanut. I always throw in some shredded veg. So right now I've got some mukimame, which I thought was edamame, but it's still soybeans, so wish me luck there. And then some peppers, carrots, celery, onions, and I'm just gonna shred that up super thin so that it can go into that lettuce bowl. Fold those up like a burrito, and if I have extra sauce, or if I want to, I can do a dipping sauce on the side or not. As I said, this is a super forgiving recipe that I will post, and you can add protein or you can go vegan on this. Alrighty friends, just a midpoint check-in. I smashed up the rest of those peanuts with my smashing rock, and I slivered up the bell peppers. I cut some celery on the bias. I pulled what little cilantro there was in the garden and grated up that ginger and those carrots. And then I have already tossed that cooked edamame and the noodles together with that peanut butter sauce. And now I'm just gonna throw this stuff all together in a big bowl and get those lettuce wraps going. So be right back with finished product. Alrighty, so there are those finished lettuce cups. Very easy, fun to make, and it's a really fun meal to eat with friends and family because everybody's eating with their hands and you're kind of sharing from the same noodle pot. These are room temperature by the time they're ready to go, and I think that's just perfect. This is a great dish for a potluck. Also wonderful, makes great leftovers. Have a great week, everybody. Mock well.